All right, second section of chapter 8 is over what's called a post-closing trial balance, which is prepared after all of our closing entries have been posted, which is what we just did in the last section of chapter 8. So over here on the right is a post-closing trial balance. It's used to verify, again, debits equal credits after we did our closing entries. It's also only going to be the general ledger accounts that have a balance. So any account that we just closed will not appear on the post-closing trial balance. The other thing I want to talk about is our accounting cycle, which is just the series of accounting events, activities that are used to record financial information. So back in chapters 1 and 2, we were analyzing transactions. Chapter 3, we journalized. Chapter 4, we started posting. Chapter 6, we started preparing a worksheet. Chapter 7, we prepared financial statements and closing entry and adjusting entries. Then chapter 8, we're doing closing entries and preparing a post-closing trial balance. So you guys have come full circle. You've done a complete accounting cycle for a sole proprietorship. Congrats. Okay, please read through those accounting cycle steps. And we're going to go to MindTap and do a post-closing trial balance. Okay, 8-2 work together. First, it wants us to check mark which accounts are going to appear on the post-closing trial balance, which is going to be any permanent account. So all of our asset accounts, cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, supplies, and prepaid insurance are all permanent accounts. Our liability accounts are permanent accounts, so accounts payable. And then the only owner's equity account we have not closed because we closed everything into it is capital. All of these other accounts we have closed and we have closed them into our capital account. So those are the only accounts that will appear on the post-closing trial balance. All right, next we're going to actually plug in our numbers. So it's just simply bringing down either our debit or credit balances, and then we're going to total them out. So cash, we go to our cash account, currently has a $4,900 debit balance. Petty cash has a $75 debit balance. Accounts receivable has a $1,387 debit balance. Supplies has a $75 balance. Prepaid insurance has a $250 debit balance. Accounts payable is our only liability, has a $267 credit balance. And then finally, our big capital account, which we've closed all our temporary accounts into, has a $6,420 balance. Okay, now we just need to prove that debits equal credits and that all our assets equal our liabilities and owner's equity added together. So if I add up all my assets here, they equal $6,687. And if I add my liability to my capital account, it also equals $6,687. And that is a post-closing trial balance. You have successfully completed the accounting cycle. Go ahead and do the on your own and terms.